So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug your printer, then you want to plug it back in again. See if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find print spooler. Here it is, double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your printer. You want to click on it. Then you want to click on remove. After you remove your printer, make sure that your printer is connected to your computer. Now you want to click on add device. It's now going to start searching for your printer. If it detects it, it's going to automatically add it. If it does not detect it, then you want to select add a new device manually. You want to go with the option that's most applicable to you, and then click on next, follow through the steps, then you want to re-add your printer. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters, and now you want to find printer. Click on run. And now this will come up, the printer troubleshooter. You want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the printer diagnostics. You want to follow the steps that will come up here, see if that works. If that's still not working, then you want to come back to the printer troubleshooter. Then you want to select no, this did not solve your problem. It's then going to try some other things as well. So just try all the steps that will come up here, and then hopefully this will work for you.